Well, the LET network is being linked to Punjab now, as this seems to be a big terror plot that seems to have been busted, and two Pakistani-linked terrorists have been arrested by the Jammu and Kashmir police. And this seems to be the crackdown on the OGWs, that is the Overground Workers Network, that has been busted. And this LET module with Punjab link seems to have been exposed. As several arrests that have also been reported with an investigation underway, and one of the Pakistani terrorists who's been arrested by the police has been identified as Abu Huraira. So as far as the links to Lashkar-e-Taiba is concerned, that is being established as far as this terror plot that has been busted in Jammu and Kashmir, and there are links not just to the Union Territory but even to Punjab that is now been exposed with this OGW network that has now been busted, and at least two Pakistan-based or linked terrorists have now been arrested by the authorities, by the security officials. We have Sahil Suhail with us right now. Sahil, if you can get us the details, how this terror network is being, linked to Punjab.
Well, first of all, this stands officially now confirmed that now the Jammu and Kashmir police has busted this LET terror network, and two Pakistani terrorists have been identified. Sources are, in fact, arrested sources are identified them as Abu Huraira and Usman. Abu Huraira is someone who was evading, in fact, arrest from last around 16 years. That is, this is what we are picking up from the sources. Jammu and Kashmir police had started investigating this particular case in fact, last month on 28th, and since then. This was under investigation. So as of now, two Pakistani terrorists have been arrested, and three local residents in Srinagar have also been arrested in this case. They were part of this LET network, and Jammu and Kashmir police has carried out search operations in Rajasthan, in Punjab, in Haryana, and in Jammu and Kashmir as well. This is in fact a larger terror conspiracy that stands exposed, and we are picking up from the sources that it's still under investigation, and during these search operations incriminating material has also been recovered. So in-depth details are awaited, and we are expecting that Jammu and Kashmir police by the evening will come out with a statement or hold a press conference on this particular impact operation that was conducted by the Jammu and Kashmir police. But as of now, two Pakistani terrorists who sources identify as Abu Huraira and Usman, they in fact were active in Jammu and Kashmir. One among them, Abu Huraira, had entered Kashmir around 2011, and since then he was active in Kashmir. Then for a brief period of time, we are picking up from the sources that he had shifted to Punjab, and that is where from he was arrested. So as of now, this case is under investigation, and the people or individuals who are basically providing logistical support to this group of LET terrorists is being identified, and several such individuals were basically questioned in past few days, in past 1 week. So as of now, 5, including two Pakistani LET terrorists, have been arrested by Jammu and Kashmir police.
I think we're going to talk about as far as the identity of these two Pakistani terrorists as well. Let's get that breaking update as Sahil continues to be with us. What we are learning through sources as far as these two Pakistani terrorists are concerned, they have been identified as Abdullah, also known as Huraira, named as Usman, alias Khubaib, also identified. And these are the three Srinagar locals as well who are said to be apparently involved as far as this terror network is concerned. So Sahil, when we talk about all of these details that seems to be coming across, we're looking at several individuals that have now been identified, then they have also been named.
Yes, exactly. As I said, these two Pakistani terrorists were initially arrested, and following the questioning of these two Pakistani terrorists, more, in fact, links and elements started coming up, and during that, the three Srinagar residents were arrested, and then the individuals who were, in fact, part of this LET network and who were basically providing logistical support to these terrorists are being identified, and the case is under investigation.
That seems to be the update that is now coming in as far as this big terror network has now been busted by the security forces there. Thank you very much, Sahil. Please take care.